So why did you choose us over our competitors?
Probably price, and I don't have to drop my truck off. I can get the unit and install it myself.
It's a strong lift for the money. It's a good lift. It's low maintenance.
So, what made you come back?
Good lift. It's been a good product for us.
Price difference, quality difference. I don't got 30 grand for a lift.
Wrecker Central is the industry leader when it comes to wheel lifts. We utilize a combination of the best steel, equipment, and fabricators to bring you the speed, strength, and reliability that you count on at an affordable price. With the highest lifting and towing capabilities combined with the longest reach on the market, you can be sure that your Wrecker Central lift will get the job done every single time. Visit WreckerCentralLLC.com to get yours today.